Hello again, we are test driving Mercedes C250 CDI, which came in with the DPF issues, EGR issues. Now the problems has been solved. What would you like to say about your car? How was it and how is it driving now? Please tell us something.
Well, before it was struggling to drive. So when I was driving on the motorway, I could feel the car struggle whenever I put more, when I accelerated. Whereas now it's a lot smoother, and you know, when I've sort of gone faster as well, it's just better all round.
More responsive?
Yeah, it's more responsive. I'm not an expert, but I can just feel the difference.
You feel the car is more responsive and faster?
Yeah.
And energetic. Can you see any black or white smoke in the exhaust?
No.
Or from? No? Nothing.
And it had like a smell as well before.
Now it's gone. Okay.
So that's good.
Are you happy?
I am happy. Thank you very much, Errol.
Okay, thank you. This young lady, beautiful lady, has given us positive feedback. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 for your DPF, EGR, injector and turbo issues. Thanks for watching.